Hi guys, I am in New York City. I just landed and I'm in a taxi on my way to see my best friend Isa. I'm going to be spending a weekend with her, so I'm super excited, but my battery is dying, so I will see you guys when I get there. Hey y'all, reunited, finally.
And then that's the story of my life. She just landed. We're going to go to a Glacier event together. We're giving you bare-faced skin.
And then after that, we're getting popcorn. Right here?
Actually, no, it's not.
Oh. Should be playing me.
The train yeeted my body, so I was like...
Back with my best friend. Look at her. Oh my god. Dinner time.
Alright, I'm gonna leave this for you guys to split amongst yourselves.
Thank you.
About 3 minutes to cook.
Someone ate my Sichuan soup. Are you okay?
This is so spicy.
Yeah, I love spice.
I hate it. You didn't even warn me.
I'm sorry, I just thought everybody can eat that spice level.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I just walked into a fire.
Oh my god. Thank you. She said she's so full, she can't eat anymore. But look at what she's holding in her hand. She really cannot stand up straight. Now we're gonna go back, do some skincare, and go sleep. You will come through. I'm gonna try to learn, but I can't dance. Together, we always make sure we do our skincare. So
It's Allison making sure that I do it. It automatically focused?
it's a good camera.
Holy shit, ball sack.
Here's another thing about her. She just puts on whatever she sees in front of her. Oh, we're on our Korean skincare wave. Always the lighter products first.
Whoa, this is the sexiest packaging I've ever seen in my life.
It really is quite sexy.
The pump is hot. God damn! This shit is sexy.
This is perfect because this one's lighter, so we'll start
It's
with
perfect. You said you only wanted one serum. Put it on the back of my hand, and then I spread it only with the back of my hand.
I'm
Because I think
different.
fingers are different. I think fingers are dirty.
Well, I showered, so
I showered too.
Yeah. Well,
My hair is actually washed.
Okay.
It's question marks for this hair.
Says the one that didn't wash her hair for 3 days. I just used to have really bad acne, so patting it in is less bacteria spreading. Even though I didn't wash my hair, whatever.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, so just punch your fucking face.
Okay, second serum. This one looks really bougie. Okay, that's good.
This shit look nice.
As Uncle Luke would say, boo.
Boo.
I already feel so moisturized. Eye cream next. New York Fashion Week things.
Not sponsored, but no, we love them, so sponsor us. Like, please. Girl, we have a plan. I just want to stay. In the party, I just want to rock. Big boobies on a birthday plum.
Oh, my skin looks so much better after the skincare. But we're gonna go sleep now. Good night.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Anthony Bourdain, and we're going to Conan Coffee Roaster. I don't like the sunrise sandwich though, but the coffee is not bad. Da-na-na.
We got a lot of work done, so it was productive, but we're gonna go back now and I'm gonna make Isa cook for me.
Oh God. The hell? What the fuck? Brother! Ooh, yeah. Aww. Really? Yeah, I wouldn't remember. Do you like kimchi, Kyla?
Yes.
Okay, it's the best,
Dude,
right?
I have kimchi and rice like almost every day. Is that really bad gut health?
Don't we all? Don't we all?
You do? How do you know that?
I have like IBS.
Oh, shit.
I think. I don't know. It's self-diagnosed.
No, everybody thinks I have IBS, my girl.
Bro.
Dude,
I think I have IBS too.
right? Like I
have some burnt bagels here.
They look so good.
Yeah, they look delicious. Fondue, that's my favorite.
This place for you.
Yeah, my.
I think it's this one's one of.
I'm
It's
excited.
like my Uber Eats leftovers. LOL.
Okay, I'm ready.
Pretty good.
Bro, this is so good.
We just got lunch, as you saw earlier, and now we all got dressed up to go get pictures. I'm here with Kiana.
Hello.
Issa's already ready and downstairs, so we're gonna head out. A shit ton of pictures, but we're heading, and it was a success.
Took a shit ton of pictures.
We're going to dinner now.
What's our team?
Chogao, chogao.
I love eavesdropping.
Same.
He's like, please, please, baby. That's relatable.
I think she's making up this whole argument in her head. I didn't hear shit.
I'm like, no. Non-existent man.
We're going to get dinner now. We're going to a place called Sakamai. Sakamai.
Suck on these nuts.
Yeah, we're going to suck on these nuts, and it's gonna be delicious.
Suck on these nuts, not suck on those nuts.
Oh,
You're so fucked up. You're messed up.
I'm fucked
You're
up.
hella messed up, bro.
I'm fucked up. Okay, anyways, yeah, it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna get uni pasta, recommended
Bone marrow.
recommended by Kiana. So I'm excited. See you there. Can you mix it for us?
Whoa. Whoa, it's a foam.
That looks really good. I'm like salivating.
It's good though. I do like it.
Oh, I love that.
You can make it just for real, like busted lemon.
大概我就是搞不懂
But it's okay. It should be
要被
good.
搞错 MD 那个阿搜就骂我的那个搜，
哦，是哦啊，搜一个都会是那个，那要搜一遍。
他之前跟我们组的那个 Star Animal， 那个 Star Animal 是特别好吃，然后他做的东西他就给我报了。
去在美国那一代，就是我是脱离的时候，然后就把你叫到一边，然后去安慰一下这个人，来这
个问题我觉得比较被考虑。那个时候，就我已经把自己变成一个我觉得这个工作好，真的就是美，就是那段时间。
Okay, can we try it?
First bite. Again.
Too thin.
虾货很虾货不够。
好咬。
好咬啊！
好咬。
有虾货高中是最好的，虾货很多高中上送那种。
冇食啊！
我知道，我今天中午吃那客户，
就我们是
Lettuce? I can't tell if they did. Like you toast the crust, like using knife. I really like this. You didn't even action. Oh god. Oh god.
Next for you.
So she wanted to keep the bone.
You almost took this fork away.
Why are you like this? Delicious. She says she wants to get 2 if it's really good, so let's see what she says.
Yummy.
It's served on buttered shokan, Japanese style milk.
We're obviously gonna get both.
Alright, I'll keep the menu here for you.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. You're not gonna be able to do it. No, you're not. You're doubting me.
5 minutes later.
This is the mochi. Just kidding. It's so light and fluffy and delicious. Yes, ma'am.
Kumusta?
Oh. But I like the candy.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. We'll go again. And we have a lot of work to do, but we decided to go get a massage instead. Alright, I've been walking 15,000 steps every day here.
Pull up your phone. 15,000 steps my asshole. Pull up your phone. Pull up your phone. Try like 500, okay?
You're so fucking rude. Just you wait. Just you wait. Okay, not counting today. Not counting, because today, look.
Shit. Where did you go?
We ended up getting the massage, and we came back, and we did some journaling.
Yeah, this is no joke.
She's a witch. She's
Dude,
a witch on the side.
It's a high vibrational thing, alright?
It really is.
It's an if you know, you know.
It honestly made me feel so good. And especially after the massage, it's just like relax times relax.
It's giving very much that.
And it was, very zoomed. It was very great. I will be doing this with Issa weekly.
Should I get sushi?
Ooh, so we're hungry again. Let's get sushi. That actually sounds really good. But today is the end of the day. I am gonna work and I'm gonna go to sleep. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna get some croissants. And then that's the end of the weekend. Are you gonna miss me?
Why? You sleep in my bed.